In this video, we'll be covering all the things you need to know about ChatGPT's Deep Research feature. We'll be going over how to use it, best use cases, accessibility, and much more. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Starting off, what is Deep Research? Well, Deep Research is a feature offered by ChatGPT, which when activated, any prompt you type into ChatGPT, it will search the internet and read a variety of different sources and compile lots of different information in order to create an in-depth, detailed report. Rather than the usual quick responses, when Deep Research is activated, it can take up to 30 minutes to come back with a response. To use Deep Research, all you need to do is select Deep Research on the prompt box, then this will be activated. To get the most out of this feature, it is important to enter a prompt which is clear and specific and tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. For example, I'm going to ask it to compare the Tesla Model Y and the Ford Mustang Mach-E in terms of safety ratings, battery range, charging speed, and real-world performance. Include a side-by-side table which presents a comparison. It will now come back with some questions so ChatGPT can clarify some things. So here it has asked me to specify which model of the two cars I want to compare. So I'm going to go back and say latest model of both, please. It has now come back with a short description of what it is going to do, then it will begin creating the report. If we click onto the tab below the description, it'll open a sidebar on the right. There will be two tabs. On the activity tab, it will display in real time exactly what ChatGPT is doing and thinking to create the report. Then if we go on the sources button, it will show the websites ChatGPT is using to get the information for the report from, also in real time. I'm going to let this run as it will take a while. I'll be back once it's done. After 30 minutes, ChatGPT has now come back with a full report which compares the Tesla Model Y and Ford Mustang Mach-E. We can open the report on a bigger screen with the up arrow on the right. As you can see, it has provided a comparison table for the two cars which includes all the variables we asked for. We can use the left and right arrows on the keyboard or scroll bar at the bottom to view the full table. Within each box, it has stated the exact information we need to know for that specific variable. Underneath the table, it has provided a summary of all the strengths and weaknesses of the two cars. Underneath that, it has listed out all the websites it has got the information for this report from. Now we know how to use it. When should you use Deep Research? Well, it's best used when you need a thorough analysis on a topic, you're doing academic or technical work which requires fact-heavy research, and when you want real-time cited information from the web. As Deep Research takes between 5 and 30 minutes to come back with a report, it is not a good idea to use it when you just need a quick answer, for example a summary of something or a clarification. Deep Research is available across all ChatGPT plans, including the free tier, but usage limits differ by plan. Free users get up to 5 Deep Research tasks per month, Plus and Teams users can run up to 10, Pro users get 125, and Enterprise accounts have access to 10 per month. Your Deep Research limit resets every 30 days. In conclusion, ChatGPT's Deep Research feature is a powerful tool when you need in-depth, reliable, and well-cited information. Whether you're working on a project, doing academic research, or comparing products, it goes far beyond the typical chatbot response by actually reading and compiling data from the web for you. If you want to learn more about ChatGPT, click the first link in the description to purchase the Ultimate ChatGPT Handbook, which provides everything you need to know about ChatGPT, thousands of prompts for different use cases, and much more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.